Thanks for checking in on this Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Start off with a view of Hurricane Bud on early Tuesday. Very definitive eye showing up. Category 4 storm. That makes it the second Category 4 storm in less than a week in the eastern Pacific. The winds associated with Bud up to 130 miles per hour. It is moving northwest at 7, which is tracking towards the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula. So again, we're going to be watching this very closely. In fact, the track takes it close to the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula by Friday morning early, maybe as a storm. And then some of that moisture perhaps through the weekend or early next week could get sucked up into the southwest where we do need some rain. But Aleta has diminished, and Aleta late last week was also that Category 4 storm. Now, the Atlantic Basin is overall looking quiet, at least in the central Atlantic. But here across Central America, we're watching this wave as that drifts west, has a low probability of tropical formation over the next 5 days. So again, tropics are heating up with Hurricane Bud, and now in the Atlantic, low chance of probability there. Spotty severe weather concerns, and then the southwest is going to be dealing with some heat. But in the northern Rockies and the northwest, we actually had some snow. This is Crater Lake out in Oregon, some fairly rare June snow. Here's the view from Phoenix, Arizona, where we have, again, some excessive heat warnings in place. Does include Las Vegas and down into the southwest here in California, but some triple-digit heat being found there, and places out near Death Valley could be topping out near 120 on Tuesday to Wednesday. Here's a look at Wednesday's highs, still very hot there. And again, maybe topping out near 120 at Death Valley, and then cooling off to a cooler 104 on Sunday for Father's Day. There's your severe threat today over the Central Plains. Slight risk actually over the eastern Great Lakes on Wednesday, and then it turns into an enhanced risk into North Dakota on Thursday with very warm temperatures again setting up over the southern U.S. this afternoon.